They were same price for everything, you know, so good or bad. Ah, sister.
Hi.
How are ya?
Oh.
Lolium sign, Dad?
Oh yeah, pretty neat.
We leave it on at night.
We got off the first round.
Oh.
Found out it was wrong right away.
I got some new rugs over there. I got some old ones made in China that are really, really pretty. Leaf stick here. I'll show you.
You bring my camera, I forgot.
Hi.
Hey.
I like your hat. You look cute.
It's my Chichi Rodriguez hat.
How cute.
The whole $1 for it.
It's cool. Where's Rita?
Her dad's coming over there this morning.